truck, the wheels will fall off.
I think they're about to get off it.
I think they're meant to.
Yeah, look at it. I think you're blinded. You would have thought they'd do something that looked like that, huh?
No, they wouldn't.
This is a heater. Wow.
It's a legend song. It's flags.
That'd be good, yeah. No, they're not using that for that. That's a show. I just put the cars there for ambience. Well, they're not going to go for the cars with the man standing there, are they?
Because they don't like it very much. You stand there.
That's a wheelie truck.
Open the door and there's someone about 3 inches tall.
Okay, folks, we're going to try and just up the ante a little bit for you. So,
Is that Darren's truck in the background?
He looks.
It's got stacks. About 8 wheels.
Oh well. No difference.
10 wheels.
which was a 3-axle truck, then another axle.
3-axle truck.
And we shortened it down to take the fire engine body. The fire engine body is a genuine ex-Humberside fire service fire truck, which was
He's left his door open.
on the way to a fire and the cab smashed. So we put the two together, the lighting chassis and the fire engine body, to create that fire truck. Some of you may have seen it on Robbie Country